Welcome, Mitesh. We are now going to do the club officer training program for club secretary, as you are the secretary for the ITPG Toastmasters Club. My name is Rupinder, and I will be delivering a presentation which should take about 20 minutes. And after the presentation, if you have any questions, I will be happy to answer them. You have already attended the pathways training earlier, and you have selected a path already. So that is not required, although that was one of the requirements of the TLI. But since that has already happened, we will not be covering that. Do you
Okay.
understand?
Yep.
Okay. I will now share my screen and I will walk you through the secretary slides.
Okay.
So this is our secretary slide, first slide, and this is your club officer training. We're going to talk about the roles, responsibility, and the resources of a club secretary. So to understand the role, these are the session objectives. You will identify your roles, fulfill your responsibilities, and you will find resources that will help you. Okay.
Okay.
So first of all, your role. Your role as a club secretary is to be the administrative manager for the club. Number one. The club secretary is a required position. A club cannot function without a club secretary. It is also your responsibility to maintain accurate documentation of the club meetings and the EC meetings. So you will be making meeting notes and making them available to the club executive committee and to the club as and when they are demanded. What I would suggest is host them on a Google Drive, provide the URL, and every time they ask for something, just direct them to the URL so that they know what to look for. Make sense?
Yep.
Okay. Let's look at your responsibilities. You have responsibilities in the club meeting, outside the club meeting, and in the executive committee. Let's look at the club meeting. Again, three parts here: before club meetings, upon arrival at the club meetings, and during the club meetings. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay. Now, before club meetings, you are supposed to post the previous minutes. If you maintain a Google Drive, you don't have to post it. You can keep a living document and everybody can go access that document. Makes your task much easier. Okay. You prepare a list of actions for the president. For example, if a new member has joined, then that member needs to be updated needs to be felicitated in the upcoming club meeting. If a member has completed a level, then that member needs to be felicitated, that kind of a thing. If there are any to-dos, for example, there is an area contest coming up and you want to make the club aware of that, you update the president. You also update the club's officer list, and I think we went through this exercise earlier when we went through the when we went through Club Central. I'm pretty sure you are aware of that.
Yes.
Okay. You will circulate the attendance sheet and guest book. What I will suggest is that you kind of maintain an online attendance sheet for all of the members. I will give you the template. I have a template that I maintain. For guest book, what I would suggest is maintain an online guest book. And anyways, yours is a corporate club, so whosoever comes in will be from your building only. So maintaining a online guest book is best for you since they come from a different organization. All you have to do is note down name, email, and the organization that they came from. Okay.
Okay.
Then you during club meetings, if required, you read the previous minutes, you note amendments, and you record the current meeting minutes. Again, there is a template for this. I will share that template with you. I've been using that when I was a club secretary. I've been club secretary two times, and it's easy to maintain. I'll share that sheet with you. Okay.
Okay.
Then you maintain an accurate club roster. Again, this is done through Club Central. You submit the club officer list. Again, this is done through through Club Central. You handle correspondence. Now, this is your task because uh, there will be communication coming from Toastmasters International. There might be communication coming from your district leadership team. You will be responsible for handling the correspondence. You will maintain an accurate record of club files, and you will also attend the club executive committee meetings. The club executive committee is you, Harsandeep, Amarjeet, and Saurabh.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
You also get to vote at international business meeting. In that, you get to decide the who is going to be the next leader at the international level. So the president or the club secretary can vote. Okay. You will also facilitate member progress in Basecamp. So apart from you, the vice president education and the president are Basecamp managers, and you will facilitate their progress. Okay, you will approve their level completion requests, and you can also file awards in the club central. Okay.
Yep. I think.
You will also arrange your replacement for or your assistants. This is both in the meetings that you may not be attending, number one, and also you will decide who will be the club secretary once you remit your charge as club secretary. That will happen in June. Does it make sense?
Yep. Makes
And
sense.
you will also prepare your successor for the office. In the executive committee, you will read the previous meeting minutes and note amendments. So you maintain two different meeting minutes, one for club, one for the executive committee, and you record the current meeting minutes. Okay. Uh, One tip that I would suggest is that you get the meetings recorded, so that if in case you miss out on a meeting minute, you can play back the recording and you can, uh, you know, take notes.
Okay. So
Okay.
for that, I think I need the Teams access as a admin. So then
Yes,
only I
yes,
can
and
record it.
that we will have to talk to Jyotsna or Anuradha about.
Okay.
Okay, then okay. To get started, you have to attend the district-sponsored club officer training program. You will read the material. So this is the district-sponsored club officer training program. You will meet with the outgoing executive committee and the outgoing secretary. These two do not apply to you because you are the current secretary. You're the first secretary of this club.
Okay.
You will confirm submission of the newly elected officers list, and you will review and order any needed material. For this, you will coordinate with the sergeant at arms and with the club treasurer.
Okay.
Make sense? Now, I know a lot of this has already been covered with you in our meetings earlier. These are the resources that you can access. In case you have any questions, I am happy to answer that. I know that we've had that joint training where you, uh, Amarjeet, and
So, yep.
Saurabh were present. So we
Right.
did cover a lot of this in the earlier trainings.
Mm.
So, any questions that you have as of now?
No, not such questions, but there are few open roles, right? When are we going to fill that?
So that we have to decide, and for that I am going to talk to Saurabh
Or
also. I am also going to talk to Jyotsna and Anuradha as to what support can we expect from them.
okay.
Okay. What I'll do is that I will upload this the a recording of this training session. I will also share the presentation deck with you.
Yeah, that
So
would be helpful.
any questions you have anytime, feel free to please reach out and you know ask those questions.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure. Yep.
Thank you so very much, and that's pretty much it from my side. Took less than about 10 minutes, but I'm pretty sure that you are very familiar with the role of secretary because we've kind of covered it also, number one. And number two, you already have done certain secretary tasks such as changing the president of the club after the first president expressed her inability to continue. And you've
Right, right.
already seen how the base camp manager works. You've already seen, I've already shown how to use the base camp for you. So is there
Right.
any question that you would want to ask related to Toastmasters or related to your roles?
Currently, I have not. If I have, I'll ping you.
Okay. And just for your information, your area director is Ragini Rajpal. Your Club mentors are Rupinder Singh and Vishakha Sharma. Feel free to reach out to us. Okay.
Sure.
Thank you very much, Mitesh. I will stop the recording now.